G'day, how's it going? Today we're visiting Talat Noi. I'll put the location in the description below. It's famous for the street art and cafes. It's by the river. And they've got Bumblebee, the transformer, guarding it just down the road. So we haven't been here before, but we'll show you around and see what we can find. So this is the first coffee shop we found. It's called Mother Roast. Here comes the rain. set up here. We only bought one umbrella today because the other one broke yesterday.
Talat Noi is definitely a place to visit. There's plenty of coffee shops, a lot of street art if you like the street art. And you saw we had some lunch right on the river there. Definitely worth it. So we'll see you in the next one. See ya.